Big time. They will always win. Taking a look outside right now, we are quiet and calm across Colorado right now. We had a beautiful day with well above normal temperatures. Now we're going to stay on the warm side throughout the weekend, and we do have some weather changes in terms of wind coming our way. So there's an area of low pressure just off the Pacific Northwest right now that's actually going to drop down into California. As it moves down, it will funnel in and help funnel in, I should say, some windy weather and warm conditions from the desert Southwest. So we also have high pressure in our area, but we're also going to tap into that low as well. So the two of those things are going to create some warm conditions for us. I mean, we're talking well above normal temperatures, and it will be windy, unfortunately, in the high country. So let's check out some other effects of that wind. It'll also be very gusty out on the eastern plains. So we do have a red flag warning for parts of eastern Colorado on Saturday. Gusty wind, low humidity, and of course we know it has been very dry out on our eastern plains. It's been dry for almost all of eastern Colorado. So fire danger still very high. We haven't put this map away yet for the year. So again, fire danger still an issue in parts of our state. Let's take a look at what's going on with our temperatures, because it's 72 degrees in Denver right now. I mean, it is gorgeous outside. 70 in Greeley, 71 in Fort Collins. It was close to 80 out near Ray today, 73 in Lamar. High country 50s and 60s, and then lots of 60s off to the west. 69 from our weather watcher Ron in Southwest Lone Tree. He said it was a beautiful autumn day, and it certainly was. It is hard to believe that we are in the first week of November when we have temperatures like we did today. 74 degrees are high today in Denver, 75 downtown, 57 is the normal. So we are just shy of 20 degrees above normal. And we're actually going to get a couple of degrees warmer by the end of the weekend. So we actually get warmer than this heading our way very quickly. Now temperatures tonight, not too bad. High country, lots of 20s out there. We do stay very dry, and we're going to stay dry through the weekend. So I'm not even going to show you the feature cast because there's nothing on it besides a few passing clouds. 28 tonight in Steamboat, 29 in Aspen, 40 in Denver, 31 though in Greeley, and then low to mid 30s out east. Tomorrow, 76 in Denver, 73 in Greeley, 80 in Ray, 80 for La Junta, 82 in Lamar. So our eastern plains are very warm. It's warm in the high country as well with that wind, 60s and even close to 70 in Avon, 64 in Aspen, 68 over in Grand Junction. Now don't forget, before you go to bed on Sunday night, turn those clocks back an hour because daylight saving is coming to an end. Or if you stay up till 2 a.m., just know at 2 a.m. you got to go back an hour. Test those smoke alarms. It's always a good time to replace the battery in your smoke alarm or your carbon monoxide detector. And taking a look again at our new sunset time, it'll be 4:51 at night. That's always a tough one to adjust to, but you do get an extra hour of sleep, but it does get darker a whole lot quicker. 78 on Sunday, and then we do start to drop down to the 60s on Monday, 50s on Tuesday, maybe a little wet weather possible by wind.